Hello friends, what if I tell you now you can easily do conversation with AI? Yes, like we are talking to our friend or any other person, you can now do conversation with AI. And this conversation feature has been introduced by none other than the first revolutionary AI application which is called ChatGPT. Yes, in this video we are gonna discuss about the new feature and new update of ChatGPT which you can access both the free and the paid version. Even if you're using the ChatGPT mobile application. To download the mobile application, you have to visit our official WhatsApp channel or you can also visit the video description below. Before starting today's video, I want to share one thing. Today I am recording this video by using a different device. So I think you may have some issues with the audio things. So please let me know if you have any issues with the sound of today's video. So without any delay, Ratul this side from VI Tech Academy, and let's start today's amazing video. So I have already downloaded the application and logged in the application. We have already made a video about this application. If you did not watch it, so you can watch the video from our channel. Now this is the ChatGPT application.
Dictation, edit box, message.
So here you can type the message and then you can give the dictation also, and here
Start a voice conversation.
Start a voice conversation. Now here you can start the voice conversation, which means once you will click here, you will be able to talk to ChatGPT. Now let us see how it works. Let me turn it on.
Start of connecting.
It is connecting. Hello ChatGPT, how are you?
Hi there. I'm just a computer program, so no feelings. But I'm here to help. What can I do?
Call volume control shown. Swipe up to dismiss.
So it is like a call. Okay. So now I'm asking again the next question.
Sure. Feel free to ask anything. What's on your mind?
Okay. Give me a romantic story.
Volume controls hidden.
Once upon a time,
That's right.
in a charming little town, two souls met at a quaint cafe. Their eyes locked over steaming cups of coffee, sparking a connection that would change their lives. As they shared stories and laughter, the magic of love blossomed, turning ordinary moments into a beautiful journey together.
So now let me show you what are the options available. Hold. So you can hold it.
End voice.
Let me hold it. Then
Resume. End voice resume.
You can resume it and then
End voice conversation.
end voice conversation.
Stop recording.
Okay.
End voice conversation.
So
Button.
I am ending the
Window chat.
voice conversation. Okay.
Edit box.
So
Message.
it is
Show
similar
English,
to a
India,
phone
Europe.
call. Okay.
Scroll to the bottom. Button.
Phone call means when we are talking to someone in a phone call, the sounds you are getting from the other side or other person, here the audio from the ChatGPT will get in the same soundscape. Okay, it sounds same. Okay, and when first time you click on the start conversation, you will be asked to allow the permission to record audio, and also you can able to choose the voice you want. Don't worry, you can change the voice from the settings. So I am telling you, after watching this video, please try at least once and come back to the video and let me know your experience in the comment section. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this content useful, don't forget to press the like button and share this video with your friends and community. If you want to create applications but you don't have any idea of code, no problem. You can use the ChatGPT to develop mobile applications. To know more, you can watch our exclusive video how to create Android applications using ChatGPT, which is available on our official YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.